A for ambulance. B for bandage. C for cough. D for doctor. E for emergency. F for fever. G for Germs. H for hospital. I for injection. J for joint. K for kid. L for lungs. M for medicine. N for nurse. O for ointment. P for pills. Q for quarantine. R for recovery. S for stethoscope. T for thermometer. U for urine test. V for vaccine. W for wheelchair. X for X-ray. Y for yawn. Z for zipper.